Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to create app password for Google account. Now, in order for us to create an app password for our Google account, here's what you can do. First things first, just go ahead and click this one here. This is your account right here, and click manage your Google account. Now, the first thing that we are going to do is tap security, and here in the security, it is very important for us to enable our two-step verification. Now, if you're done enabling two-step verification, then follow this instruction right here. So you're going to go ahead and look for app password. If you don't see them in here, you can just go ahead and type it here at the top, just like so. And you should see this one, app passwords. Just click this. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and type my password right here. Now, from this point forward, you're going to go ahead and put an app name here. So I'm just going to go ahead and try this one here, SMTP test, just like so, and then click create. After that, you will see an app password. So you're going to have to copy this one here and then put this in a notepad. Now click done, and this time we're going to go ahead and test this out. So I have here the SMTP test tool, and I'm just going to go ahead and basically do it here. So it's going to be like this, smtp.gmail.com, and then for the port, I'm gonna try to use 465. And for the security, SSL, the username is going to be our email address. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this one right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and use it as well for the email address. Now, password, this time we're going to go ahead and try to remove all of the spaces in here. There you go, copy this, put this in the password, and then for the email, I'm going to go ahead and use this email address. So basically, this email address is going to send an email here. This is for us to test this. Now, the difference is this one here, it has 2V. Now, I'm going to go ahead and click test it, and we're going to check down below if it is successful. All right, seems like it is successful. Now we're going to go ahead and check this out. So we're going to open this email here, which is going to be this one right here. And there you go. That's going to be our SMTP test. So I'm going to click it, and that is how you know it's working. So yep, congratulations everybody. That is how you're going to create your own app passwords here in your Google account. Should you wish to see more of these videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below.